that's how you can stay updated with me. So I'll put a link in the description to my Instagram. It's at Jenny_Senza. So I'm still here, guys. I'm sorry it's been so long, but I will still make videos. So you guys will see me soon. See you next video. Bye. Is he eating? What's this? That's a bus. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Is this your brother? What's your brother doing? Is your brother drinking meow meow?
Breastfeeding gives your baby the best start in life. It has health benefits for you and your baby, so the longer you can breastfeed, the better it is for both of you. Along with the health benefits, breastfeeding is free and convenient, and it's also a unique chance for you to bond with your baby. In Australia, it's recommended that babies be exclusively breastfed until around 6 months of age, when solid foods are introduced. Most babies will show signs of being ready for solid foods by around 6 months, but solids don't replace breastfeeding. It's recommended that breastfeeding be continued to 12 months of age and beyond. Breast milk is a complete meal and contains all the nutrients your baby needs for the first 6 months of life. Breast milk is easy to digest and is readily absorbed into your baby's system. It's also a living fluid with fatty acids that are best for your baby's developing brain. Both the colostrum that you first produce and mature breast milk contain antibodies and other agents that help to protect your baby from infection and disease, including gastroenteritis, respiratory tract and ear infections, and type 1 diabetes. Breastfeeding is important for babies' eyesight, speech, jaw and mouth development. Babies who breastfeed also have a lower risk of sudden unexpected death in infancy. Mums who breastfeed have lower rates of breast cancer, osteoporosis and type 2 diabetes. Breastfeeding can also help some women lose weight after birth. Breastfeeding is much more than just food. It's a time for cuddling, comfort, nurturing and bonding. It's a time for getting to know each other and developing trust, and for talking and singing to your baby. To help breastfeeding get off to the best start possible, it's ideal for you to have skin-to-skin contact with your baby straight after birth. In fact, skin-to-skin contact at any time is good for you and your baby. It helps you connect with each other and with settling and learning your baby's feeding cues. This close contact also makes it more likely that your baby will attach well to your breast without any help. Good breast attachment is important for your baby to get enough milk and can also prevent you from developing complications like cracked or sore nipples, blocked milk ducts, and mastitis. Breastfeeding might not be as you expected at first. While it's the natural way to feed your baby, it's also a learned skill and can take time, practice, and patience. Some women breastfeed without too much difficulty, and others have challenges. At some point, you might worry about having too little milk or even too much milk, but you might find it reassuring to know that your body will adapt and produce as much milk as your baby needs. Most women find that problems with breastfeeding can be worked out with the right help.
Sim, eu já falei que ele mamou muito. Ai, que susto. Pensei que ele ia apertar no botão, peraí. O problema é que eu tô com febre. Eu não tô nem com... Fala, ó, tô com esse top aqui, tá vendo? Não tô nem com sutiã de amamentação e fica mais difícil pra ele amamentar. Dá pro gasto, né, meu filho? Só dá pro gasto, mas você... Eu já consigo mamar aqui. Não tem problema. E é isso, meus amores. 11 minutos foi o tempo que eu levei a ver, arrumei tudo. Tá tudo pronto pra ele nanar. Tá aqui chamando agora. E aí já vai nanar, né, meu filho? Fala pro pessoal. Pessoal, foi isso. Um beijo. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Né? Espero que vocês tenham gostado desse vídeo. Eu volto amanhã. Tchau! E aí, mas eu quero falar com vocês outra coisa. Olha que coisa mais linda do mundo. Peraí. Vamos tá? Tá gordinho. Olha. Olha essas coisas, minha filha. O que eu faço com essas coisas? Quanta pessoa mama? Fala pra mim. Olha essas coisas, pessoal. Então, eu quero falar pra vocês que eu voltei para a dieta. Porque a gente acha, né? E quer eliminar. Então, eu tô...
sea suficiente para crear un mejor presente. Y sin miedo voy nutriendo tu futuro con amor, confianza, compasión, gratitud, decisión, autenticidad.